Last weekend I had the opportunity to take the brand new METRONET C Series train produced by Alstom, locally built in Western Australia. The train is lovely, of course, and one of the most fantastic features is that it has USB-C plug-in so you can charge your phone while the train is on the move. The train can carry up to 1,000 passengers during peak hour, and it has a 6-car set, and it can be extended to a 9-car set. A very exciting day indeed, and of course a very important day of public transport in my state. The train conductor meanwhile got into the driver's seat while politicians and our state leaders cutting ribbons and get ready for the first maiden voyage, and the train was full.
Doors closing.
I had the privilege to see the train being built. In fact, how the facility came together all the way since a couple of years ago after the government announced that they will build local trains there, and Alstom has won the contract and the facility. It was fantastic to see how the train come together and how the train was built over the years, and today it comes to fruition. Meanwhile, on the subway action, don't forget to join me on Sunday at 10 a.m. for the Clinton-Washington Avenue action on the G train. See you at the platform.